All right. Hello, everyone. It's just Eden Coleman here from the Non-Techies Roadmap to Affiliate Marketing, or the Eden Earnings YouTube channel. So I did have a request from someone inside of the community asking how to, set up a custom email sending domain inside Wealthery Connect. So let me actually just share my screen with you guys and I'll show you exactly what to do. All right. So what you're going to do is here is Wealth3 Connect. Left-hand side, you're going to go all the way down to settings. And you're going to, on the left-hand side, you're going to click email services. All right. Perfect. All right. So mine's already set up, as you can see, but what you will do, you'll just probably see this, do dedicated domain and IP. Okay. And then right here, you go add domain. And then what you'll do, like what you'll see right here, I did MG for mailgun. So what you'll do is you'll do MG dot yourdomain.com. All right. So mg.edenearnings.com. Okay. So mg dot whatever your domain is. You don't need to put the www in there. Just do that. Okay. So mg dot yourwebsite.com. Okay. And then you'll click add and verify. Now, once you do add and verify, it will then take you to a new screen where it'll show you new DNS records will be provided on the next screen after you click add and verify. Update DNS records with your DNS provider. Note that this is not done within Lead Connector account. This is done from the place that you purchased your actual domain. So something like GoDaddy. So you would log into GoDaddy, and then if you are using GoDaddy, let me actually show you. So sign into your account, my products, and then once this loads, you'll click a domain and you'll click DNS. All right. Inside of here, you will have to add new records. All right. So as they were just saying right here, new DNS records will be provided on the next screen. So once you add and verify, you will need to copy everything over exactly as it says. All right. So if it says, AA, AAA, CNAME, it'll show you the DNS records in this exact order. All right. So type, name, value. Don't worry about the TTL. All right. Just leave it as is. Okay. Just make sure whatever DNS settings they provide on the next page, you copy over exactly into here. All right. That is what you need to do if you, as you can see right here, mailgun. See name, mailgun sender right here. All right. Domain connect. So this is all stuff that will pop up on the next page. You'll just do add and verify, and then you are good to go. The only other thing you will have to add will be let me see if it's on here, DMARC. Will be something for DMARC, which is basically just sender verification, just to tell like Google and all the email inboxes that you are who you say you are. And I believe it is, let me see here. Uh, Domain verification, Google site verification. I think it was this one right here. Um, but yeah, if you need help setting up, once you get your domain set up, once you do the add new domain, add and verify, and you add these DNS records that it shows you on the following page once you add and verify, reach out to me. I'll probably post this in the Wealthery community. So if you get once you get your domain verified, you're able to send your emails from eden@edenearnings.com or whatever your domain is. Then what you'll do is you'll just have to go back into your DNS settings and you'll just have to add a couple more record types just to be DMARC compatible. Super easy to do. I don't want to put that into this video. I will make a separate video showing you guys how to do that. Like, look, DMARC setup. Let me see. So if you go right here, all you'd have to do is you'll just Let me see. Oh, your actual DMARC record is VDMARC. So you just have to add some of this information. Um, Let me see. So what is DMARC? It kind of just tells you what it is. Here's an example. So DMARC 1. Let me see if something is in here. Right here. There we go. So this is what you would add right here. This is just to be compatible, compliant with the new sending regulations by Google, Yahoo. You do want to do this, so reach out if you need any help, or you can honestly Google what I just showed you. But like this one, you could literally just look at this video and you could copy this stuff exactly. All right. And then you're good to go. And then once you've verified everything and it's all good, it'll show you SSL issued, and then it'll show everything as good. All right. And then, you know, then you can go in here. And then when you're going into your automations or even your emails, let me see, marketing. So even when you go into your emails and you go into campaigns, then you could create, then you could do the sender. So like, watch, I'll show you. Blank, plain text. We're just going to do this. I just want to show you guys what it'll look like. So the sender email right here. So email verified. So as long as you set up your, the sender, the email settings senders or the email settings properly, like I showed you at the beginning of this video, it'll say email verified right here. All right. So follow these steps. This is how you integrate your custom sending email domain so that you can start sending your automations and also your broadcasts from your branded domain email. All right. Like Eden at EdenEarnings.com. If you guys have any questions, please drop a comment down below. I'm here to help you. Appreciate you all for, I guess, watching. So peace.